Thank you for purchasing this VuePoint flat panel TV wall mount. If you have any problems with this product or have questions about installation, please do not return it to the store. Instead, contact customer service at 1-888-333-9952. This DVD should be used as a supplement to the instruction manual provided. Please make sure you read the manual thoroughly before installing this mount. If you have any trouble viewing this DVD, please visit VuePoint.sanus.com for an online version. Tool check. To install this product, you will need a level, a stud finder, a Phillips screwdriver, a 13mm or 1/2 inch wrench, a 3/16 inch drill bit for wood stud installations, and an electric drill. It is also a good idea to have an awl or small nail to verify stud locations. Parts check. Check carefully to make sure there are no missing or damaged parts. Depending on your installation, you may not need every part provided. If any parts are missing or damaged, please contact customer service at 1-888-333-9952 to have the parts sent directly to you. Step 1. Attach the wall plate to a wall with wood studs. Please note, for safe installation, any drywall or other wall covering material may not exceed 1/2 inch or 13mm in thickness. Use a stud sensor to locate and mark a stud. It's a good idea to verify the stud location with an awl or thin nail. Taking into consideration the overall size of your TV, use a level and hold the wall plate against the wall to mark 4 hole locations on the stud. 2 in the top row and 2 in the corresponding holes in the bottom row. Using the 3/16 inch drill bit, pre-drill 4 holes to a depth of 2.5 inches. Attach the wall plate using the 4 lag bolts and lag bolt washers. Tighten the bolts with a wrench. Do not over-tighten the bolts. Step 2. Attach the monitor brackets to the back of your TV. Step 2-1. TVs with a flat back and no obstructions. First, determine the diameter of the bolt your television requires. Hand thread a bolt into the insert on the back of the TV. If you encounter any resistance, stop and select another bolt diameter until you have the correct size. Thread the short bolt through the lock washer, the appropriate flat washer, the monitor bracket, and finally into the TV. Step 2-2. TVs with a curved back or an obstruction near the insert. First, determine the diameter of the bolt your television requires. Hand thread a bolt into the insert on the back of the TV. If you encounter any resistance, stop and select another bolt diameter until you have the correct size. Thread the long bolt through the lock washer, the appropriate flat washer, and into the monitor bracket. Add a spacer between the monitor bracket and the television. M4 and M5 bolts will require a second washer between the monitor bracket and the spacer. Step 3. Attach the horizontal mounting brackets to the monitor brackets on the back of the television. Slide the mounting brackets horizontally through the corresponding slots in the monitor brackets, making sure the perforated ridge is facing outward. Position the brackets so they are even with each other. Then secure with the 15mm bolts. Tighten the bolts using a Phillips screwdriver. Optional. Make sure the horizontal mounting brackets are perfectly centered over the monitor brackets before proceeding. Step 4. Attach the arm assembly to the horizontal mounting brackets. Slide the tab on the mounting plate assembly into the corresponding slot on top of the horizontal mounting bracket. Then secure the arm assembly to the horizontal mounting brackets using the 10mm bolt and tighten it using a Phillips screwdriver. Step 5. Attach the arm assembly to the wall plate. Please note, before proceeding, verify that the wall plate and mounting plate assembly are firmly fixed to the wall and back of the television, respectively. With the help of an assistant, hook the arm assembly over the top of the wall plate. Gently let the bottom of the arm assembly settle against the wall plate. Horizontally adjust the transfer plate on the wall plate until it is in your desired location. Then secure the arm assembly to the wall plate using the safety bolt and tighten it using an Allen wrench. Step 6. Install cable management. Pull the mount arm to full extension. Then, loosely route the TV cables along the monitor bracket and under the arm assembly. Secure cables using cable ties and wire clips, leaving enough slack to prevent stretching when the arm is moved. Step 7. Adjust the swivel, extension, and tilt tensions. Use the Allen wrench to set the arm tension for swivel and extend motions. You can also tighten or loosen the adjustment knob on the side of the mounting plate to adjust the TV's tilt motion. You are now free to enjoy your newly mounted flat panel television.